In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column or row. If you work with spreadsheets, adding up numbers is one of the most useful basic skills to learn. The good news is that there are a few simple ways to do it. And once you know them, you can total rows and columns in just a few seconds. Let's start with the quickest keyboard method. First, select the empty cell directly below the column you want to add. This tells the spreadsheet where you want the final answer to appear. Once that cell is selected, press Alt and the equal sign at the same time on your keyboard. The program will automatically look for a group of contiguous numbers next to that cell and highlight the range it thinks you want to add. In most cases, it gets this right. When the highlighted numbers look correct, simply press Enter, and the total will appear in the selected cell. If you prefer to type the formula manually, that works too and gives you a little more control. For a column, type equals sum, followed by the range in parentheses. Like this, equals sum opening parenthesis, a 1:10 closing parenthesis. Then press Enter. Just replace a 1 and a 10 with the actual starting and ending cells for your data. For a row, the process is the same. Type equals sum opening parenthesis, a 2:E2 closing parenthesis. Then hit Enter. This is especially helpful if you already know the exact range you want to total. Another easy option is to use the AutoSum button. Click the empty cell where you want your total to go. Then click the AutoSum button, which is the sigma symbol, on the Home tab or in the formula bar. After that, drag your mouse over the cells you want to add up. This lets you manually confirm the exact range, which can be useful if your data is not all grouped together, the way the program expects. Once the correct cells are selected, press Enter, and your total will be calculated. As a quick tip, always double-check the highlighted or selected range before pressing Enter, especially if there are blank cells or extra numbers nearby. A small review can help you avoid incorrect totals. That's all there is to it. Whether you use the keyboard shortcut, type the sum formula yourself, or click AutoSum, each method is fast and reliable once you get used to it. Thanks for watching.